Hi everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Tuesday afternoon with a little bit of weatherman's revenge here, so hang in there with me, folks. It's been an interesting day so far across the Boston area. Boy, I woke up and it was snowing and beat the bed. I went to bed about 3 o'clock in the morning, so by the time I get up, it's like about 10 a.m. Anyway, we're just looking at some snowfall amounts here. Pardon my looking down. I'm looking at some information. 3 inches of snow in Peabody, 3 inches of snow in Deerfield. Lexington, Mass. had 4.1. Carlisle, 4 inches. Littleton, 3.5. Tewksbury 2.2, Quincy about a half inch, Millis a half inch, but then downtown Boston at Logan Airport 2.5 inches of snow, and as you get out towards Lunenburg, between 3 and 4 inches of snow. Now we have all kinds of things happening. I think we're under the gun for a major snowstorm here starting late tomorrow night and on Thursday too. So lots to talk about. Let's get right into it. Here we go. Let's start with the weather headline as we prepared it for you. It's a messy afternoon, but mostly rain along the coast from Boston south. There'll be freezing rain, which is happening right now from Worcester into the Berkshires, but still snowing once you get north of Route 2 into southern New Hampshire, southern Vermont, southern Maine. The roads are very slick, so watch out. We get a break tomorrow, but a major snowstorm now appears like it's coming late tomorrow night and all day Thursday. It could be another bout of snow over the weekend. Temperatures as of about 2 o'clock this afternoon, if you can see this, it's mostly in the 30s in the greater Boston area, low 40s over the Cape, teens and 20s northern New England where snow continues to fly. As we look at the northeast map, here's the deal. We have one primary storm back in the Great Lakes with a wavy warm front like this down to about Jersey, where there's a weak secondary storm developing. So with a weak area of low pressure here and cold high pressure, actually we call this cold air damming, building down from the Maritimes to northeast wind, holding in the cold air and low layers of the atmosphere. But this warm surge, I feel, is not going to be denied as this storm moves this way. The warm front lifts north. By tomorrow morning from Boston south, it could be in the 50s. As we look at the latest Chatham radar, as of about 2:30 this afternoon, you see already the back edge of the storm is coming into western Mass and western Connecticut. So I think late this afternoon and early this evening, it's a done deal here in Boston with the precipitation OVA. It's over. As we look at the mosaic radar, you'll be able to see the pink is ice in northeastern Connecticut and the Berkshires, but snow falling in northern Massachusetts, southern New Hampshire, and Maine. Pretty good slug of rain coming up over the Cape and the islands. Let's jump ahead here. This is going to be the European map for 1 o'clock on Thursday afternoon. They show a gale center a couple hundred miles south of Block Island with heavy snow and strong northeast winds on it, so it's going to be a very stormy day on Thursday. How much snow are we going for? A widespread 6 to 12 inches throughout much of southern and central New Hampshire, all the way to the Berkshires, Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Cape Cod. That's why we give a range of 6 to 12. Just don't focus on the 12. Of course, tomorrow we hope to narrow this down a little bit more. So the forecast for Boston goes like this for the balance of the afternoon. It's rain from Boston south, ice 495 north and west, and snow in southern New Hampshire. Big range in temperature near 30 out in Worcester County in southern New Hampshire. It'll be in low 40s over the Cape and the islands. Boston 35 to 40. The storm is done tonight. Rising temperatures certainly from Boston south. We could be over 50 by dawn. Here's your 5-day forecast. Starting with tomorrow, we catch a break. It's partly sunny in the 50s, turning colder by day's end. Cloudy, much colder tomorrow night. Snow breaks out after midnight. Snow heavy at times on Thursday. Windy, temps falling into the 20s during the afternoon. The snow will end by dark. And Friday, it's partly sunny, windy, and cold, feeling and looking like winter in low 20s. Could be some more snow here Saturday and Sunday. I'm still working on those details for you. So there you go. That's my latest forecast. Winter is back. I'm Mark Rosenthal. Please stay tuned for updates.